Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn online test for maths revision part 2. Okay, so answer the following questions. Find the unknown values x and y. Find the unknown values x and y. So take one triangle. So PQR. So two sides are equal. One side is different. So two sides are equal. Two side is this side and this side. So two sides are equal and one side is different. So which triangle? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay, so first one. Solution PQ equal to PR. PQ equal to PR. Okay, so this side and this sides are equal. This side and this sides are equal. So angle X, angle Q and angle R are equal. Angle Q equal to angle R are equal. Okay, so two angle Q and R are equal. So angle Q and angle R value, angle Q value is X. Okay, angle Q value is angle X. Angle R value is angle Y. So angle X is equal to angle Y is equal to angle X. Okay, so angle X equal to X, angle Y equal to Y. Okay, so take any sides. So angle opposites to equal sides are equal. Angle opposite sides sit to equal sides are equal. Okay, then next, that implies angle X plus angle Y plus angle 50 degree. Sum of the angles are 180 degree. Sum of the angles are 180 degree. So which property? Angle sum property in triangle PQR. Okay. Then next, angle X equal to angle Y. Angle Y equal to angle X. So take angle X plus angle Y equal to angle X plus angle 50 degree. Angle 50 degree equal to 180 degree. So one angle X. So add it. So 2 angle X plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree. So plus 50 degree transpose to minus 50 degree. So that implies 2 angle X equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. 180 degree minus 50 degree. So 130 degree. 2 angle X equal to 130 degree implies angle X equal to 130 degree divided by 2. Division. So 65 degree. So angle X equal to 65 degree. Second sum. Find the unknown values of X and Y. Find the unknown values of X and Y. So triangle. So equal sides. So see the triangle. Triangles also are equal. Okay. All the sides are equal. So find the triangle of X and Y. Find the values of X and Y. So solution. In triangle ABC, angle A equal to angle X. Angle A equal to angle X. Okay. angle x. Angle A equal to angle x. So vertically, so which property? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposites angle. Okay. Vertically opposite angles. So similarly angle B equal to angle C equal to angle X. Okay, angle B equal to angle C equal to X. So two sides are equal, that values are X. Okay, so sum of the triangles angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property in triangle ABC. Okay, then angle B, first one, angle A equal to X. Substitute the value of angle X, angle A, angle B, angle C. So angle A value is X plus angle B value is X plus angle C value is X equal to 180 degree. So 3x equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 degree divided by 3. Okay, cancel it. 60 degree. So x equal to 60 degree. Then next y equal to, then next x plus y equal to 180 degree. Sum of the two angles. So x plus y, which triangle? So this side only. So this side is a adjacent angle triangle. So x plus y, sum of the angles equal to 180 degree. So angle x imply angle x 60 degree plus y equal to 180 degree imply y equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. That value equal to 120 degree. So y equal to 120 degree. Third sum, if triangle PQR congruent triangle XYZ, find A and B. Already know that the symbol, yes, isn't it? So that is a equal, congruent. So PQR is equal to XY. So congruent, that is a similar. This side is equal and this side is also a equal. That is a similar triangle. Okay, so similar triangle. So this side having and this side is it is a parallel angles. Okay, so this side equal. This side and this sides are equal. This side and this sides are equal. That is a congruent triangle. Okay, so first, so in a triangle, if a triangle PQR congruent triangle XYZ, find A and B. Okay, solution. Given that triangle PQR congruent to triangle XYZ, their corresponding sides are proportional. Their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. Then next, PQ equal divided by XY. PQ is divided by XY. Then next, QR is divided by YZ. That is a proportional. That is a proportional. Proportional means division. Proportional means division. That's are equal means it is a that symbol is a congruent. Okay. So this sides are not equal. So that is a similar triangle. That is a proportional triangle. Okay. So YZ equal to PR divided by XZ. That imply PQ 8 divided by XY value A equal to QR value 14 divided by B equal to 10 divided by 16. 10 divided by 16. So take this value and this values are equal. Okay. The next 8 divided by A equal to 10 divided by 16. That implies 8 into 16 10 into A. A equal to 16 into 8 divided by 10. So 16 8s are 120. 8 divided by 10. So that A value is 1 decimal. So left to right to right side, from right side is the decimal point. Okay. Put a decimal point. So 12.8 centimeter. Then next 14 by B equal to 10 by 16. That implies 14 into 16 B into 10. That implies B equal to 14 into 16 by 10. That implies B equal to 14 16s are 224 divided by 10. B equal to 22.4 centimeter. 10 having a 1 decimal point. Okay. Fourth sum. The height of a man and his shadow for a triangle similar to that formed by a nearby tree and its shadow. What is the height of the tree? Same method pattern. So it is a similar triangle. This triangle and this side is also a similar triangle. So extend the line. Extend the line. So that is a similar triangle. Okay. It is a similar triangle. Similar triangle is a proportional triangle. Okay. So first solution. Solution. Triangle ABC similar to ADE. Similar to ADE. Okay. That is a congruent. So extend the line means a equal. That is a proportional triangle. It is already given. So their corresponding sides are equal. Already you know that. So that is a corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding sides are equal. Then next AC divided by AE. Okay. AC divided by AE equal to BC divided by DE. DE. Okay. Then AC value is 12 feet. Then AE value is 96. Then next BC value is 5 feet. BC value is 5 feet. So BC is a 5. Then next DE. DE value is a find the value of height. That is a find the value. That is a question mark. Okay. Now we find the value of height. Then next a cross multiply. Cross multiply. 12 into height into 96 into 5. That implies height is equal to 96 into 5 divided by 12. Then cross it. 12 8s are 96. So 8 5s are 40. So height value is 40 feet. Fine. Fifth sum. Find LM, MN, LN and also the area of triangle LOM. Sorry, LON. LON. Okay. First solution. Triangle LMO. Triangle LMO. That is a right angle triangle, isn't it? Yes. So, triangle LMO by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So, LM square equal to OL square minus OM square. Okay. So, first that is a hypotenuse. This side is a hypotenuse. This side is a hypotenuse. Find the value of LM and MN. Okay. LM and MN. So, OL square sorry LM square, find the value of LM square. Okay, find the value of LM square and LN square. Okay, find the value of LM square and LN square. So LM square equal to OL square minus OM square. Okay, OM square. How? OL square minus OM square. Already Pythagoras theorem value OM square equal to OL square plus LM square. OM square equal to OL square plus LM square. Okay. So, OM square equal to OL. Okay. So, that is OM square. Sorry. LM square plus OM square equal to OL square. So, change it. So, MO square. Okay. So, next one is a LM square, that step. LM square equal to OL square minus OM square. Okay. So, LM square, that implies LM square equal to OL square value 13 square minus 12 square 169. 13 squares are 169. 12 12s are 144. So 25. Next 5 square. So LM square equal to 5 square. Cancel it. So LM equal to 5 units. The next triangle NMO by Pythagoras theorem. MN square equal to ON square minus OM square. ON square. Then next ON square value 15 square. OM square value 12 square. 15 square 225. 12 square 144. That value 81. That is 9 square. Then next mn square equal to 9 square. That implies square square cancel. Mn equal to 9 units. Okay. Then next ln equal to lm plus mn. 5 plus 9 14 units. So area of a triangle LON equal to 1 by 2 into B into H. 1 by 2 into base ln into OM. Okay. So LM into OM equal to 1 by 2 into 14 into 12. 6. 14 6 84 square units. Okay. 6th sum, triangle ABC equilateral and CD of the right angle triangle BCD is 8 cm. Find the sides of the equilateral triangle ABC and also BD. Okay. Equilateral triangle. That is this one is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. The next CD. CD is a right angle triangle. See that is a right angle triangle. This one is a equilateral triangle. This one is a right angle triangle. Find the sides of the equilateral triangle ABC. Equilateral right angle value. Find the value of equilateral triangle and also BD. Then hypotenuse. Okay. So solution. Triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Then next AB equal to BC equal to AC. How? ABC is a equilateral. So all sides are equal. That AB equal to BC equal to AC. Okay. That is equal to x minus 2 centimeter. Okay. Then next triangle BCD by Pythagoras theorem. Then next BD equal to BC plus CD. Okay. When will you start the variable? So finish that variable. Okay. Finish that variable. So BD square. See that BD square equal to BC square CD square. Okay. BC square plus CD square. So BD square value, that is a BD value. BD value is x plus 2 centimeter. X plus 2 the whole square. So square is a right angle triangle. Then next the BC square. BC square value, that is all sides are equal. So this side is x minus 2 and this side is also x minus 2. So x minus 2 whole square plus CD square. Then next x plus 2 the whole square means a plus b the whole square. So x square plus 4x plus 4. So a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Substitute the value of x plus 2 the whole square. X square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. That is x square plus 4x plus 2. Sorry, plus 4. Okay. So that side is a same method of x minus 2 the whole square. So x minus 2 the whole square value x square minus 4x plus 4 plus CD value h square. Okay. So plus plus having a equal, that is a subtraction. Plus minus having a add. So plus 4x minus 4x is added. So plus 4x minus 4x is a transposed to plus 4x. So 8x equal to 8 square. Okay. Then next 8x equal to 64 equal to x equal to 64 divided by 8. So simplify 8 8s are 64. X equal to 8 centimeter. Then next the sides of the equilateral triangle ABC equal to 6 centimeter. So x minus 2. So put the value of x equal to 8 centimeter. So 8 minus 2 equal to 6 centimeter. Then next BD equal to x plus 2. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 centimeter. So do you understand? If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. All the best. Prepare well for the exam. Thank you.